Hello YouTube, welcome to Explain Easy. In this tutorial we will go ahead with our last project, with the demo app project. Okay, I open the project. What we want to do is when we press on the button here, the text of the label should change from hello to hello world. This is pretty much easy with Xcode, and how to do that I will show you now. At first we open here with this plus button here in second editor, and now we can change the editor. I keep this here with the storyboard. We click here on this editor and I go to the view controller. But at first we have to drag and drop the view elements here, because at the moment there is no connection from the storyboard to our view controller. We need a connection. And how to do that is with drag and drop. You press the control button on your keyboard and you drag it here, drop it. Outlet, yeah, it's important, not outlet collection, outlet, and let's call it my label. Connect. Okay, and we do it the same with the button view element. You press the control button and we drag and drop it here on the Swift file. Now important is action. We name it my button and we press connect. We go to our my button function and write here inside the name of our label element. It is my label, then dot, and the label element, the class, it is actually a class, has a text element. It called text. You see here, and we assign. I mentioned we want to change the text from hello to hello world to hello world. And if you press the option button on your keyboard and you go here on the text, you see a question mark, and then you make a click. You see that the text is a string. This is a string and this is a string, so this is absolutely okay. This we don't need actually. I delete it. With Command R we run our app. We press on the button and you see hello world. What the function is, what the text here is, and why we write a dot, I will explain these in the next videos. For the moment this is enough. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.